Hi folks, we've been busy researching acoustic guitars for beginners to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. The video has timestamps so that you can jump straight to the guitar that interests you the most. Now before I move on, we'd love to hear what acoustic guitar you're using right now and what you think of it. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best acoustic guitars for beginners. The fifth product on our list is the Yamaha FG800M. Yamaha's FG800 is a standard acoustic guitar at the bottom of the price bracket. Despite its affordable price, this guitar features a solid spruce top and NATO wood neck. With this, you get a clearer, detailed and more punchy tone. The body has a large dreadnought design, giving you that full and loud volume. Yamaha also adds in scalloped bracing, which allows the instrument's top to move more, giving you an enhanced bass response. The general tone of the FG800 is warm, rich and round, perfect for jamming to most genres. The aesthetic of this instrument plays towards the classic look of acoustic guitars with its natural top and glossy finish. Beginners will love the rounded neck profile, making it easier to get your hands around and play chords. The smooth finish also contributes to the FG800's excellent playability. The neck measures 1 11/16 inches or 43mm at the nut, and the scale length of the guitar is 25 9/16 inches or 640mm. If you're looking for a dreadnought guitar with fantastic sound and playability, the Yamaha FG800 is a great affordable option. The fourth product on our list is the Taylor Academy Series 10E. The Taylor Academy Series 10E is a refined entry-level dreadnought guitar built for beginners. The brand stays true to its reputation for well-constructed and thoughtfully designed guitars with the 10E. It features a solid Sitka spruce top with layered sapele back and sides. This guitar uses an arched laminated sapele back, which removes the need for back bracing. This brings down the cost of the instrument while improving resonance. The neck is made of maple and has 20 frets. The neck measures 1 11/16 inches or 44mm at the nut, and the scale length of the instrument is 24 7/8 inches or 632mm. A nice feature of the Academy Series 10E is its beveled armrest, which is an excellent addition in terms of comfort when you're playing while sitting down by reducing the strain on your elbow and forearm. The 10E is an acoustic electric guitar and comes with the ESP preamp, pickup and tuner system installed. 2 3V lithium batteries power the ESP preamp, which you'll find on the upper bout of the guitar without being obtrusive. This is a plus for guitarists who want to perform right out the door. The sound of this guitar is also reflective of the brand's reputation. You expect excellent tonality with a Taylor guitar, and the 10E delivers. It has a great range of complex tones, which, combined with its solid construction and ergonomics, make the Taylor Academy Series 10E a perfect choice for beginners and pros alike. The third product on our list is the Gretsch G5024E Rancher. The Gretsch 5024E Rancher has a distinctive style that catches your eye with its sunburst aesthetic and vintage-esque triangular sound hole. This dreadnought guitar features solid construction with a spruce wood top reinforced with scalloped X-bracing pattern. This gives you a rich and resonant sound with a sophisticated tone. It's a premium feature that you won't usually find on beginner guitars. It helps to provide better projection and tonal balance by allowing the top to resonate without being dampened by heavier bracing. The G5024E is an acoustic electric guitar, so you'll be ready for live gigs right out the door. The built-in Fishman Isis Plus preamp and Sonicore undersaddle pickup system sounds great and is easy to use. Just plug in and you're good to go. The neck measures 1.69 inches or 43mm at the nut, and the scale length of the guitar is 25 inches or 635mm. The 50s style triangular sound hole isn't just for aesthetics, it also enhances the already vibrant sound to give you a better playing experience. The guitar also has a gorgeous Venetian style cutaway that allows you access to higher frets on the fingerboard. The Gretsch 5024E is an acoustic guitar that covers all your needs from beginner right through to playing live in front of an audience. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for a versatile, well-built and aesthetically pleasing instrument. The second product on our list is the Fender CP-60S. The Fender CP-60S is an acoustic guitar with solid construction and comes in two size options, concert and parlour. These are smaller sized compact versions. The concert body is larger and works well with fingerstyle and strumming, making it an ideal choice for aspiring singer-songwriters. The parlour-sized body features a thinner graduated top and provides a crystal clear, warm and balanced dynamic mid-range. The CP-60S has a durable build with a mahogany body which will last and give you that classic acoustic sound and tone sustain. Fender went with their standard options with a rosewood fretboard and mahogany neck. The top is spruce and has a sunburst design that looks gorgeous with its body shape. Both the concert and the parlour have the full range of 20 frets, so you'll have that nice tonal range. The neck measures 1.69 inches or 43mm at the nut, and the scale length of the guitar is 24.75 inches or 629mm. This guitar is bundled with the gig bag, tuner, straps, Fender 12-gauge Duratone coated strings, picks, Fender Play online lessons, and an Austin Bazaar DVD, making it a really sweet deal for beginners. The first product on our list is the Taylor GS Mini Mahogany. The Taylor GS Mini is not a newcomer to the beginner guitar scene. This is a tried and tested acoustic guitar that newbies and pros alike love. It's a very popular instrument and offers a perfect combination of tone, playability and size. The top wood of this model is solid mahogany for optimal projection and clarity. It also comes in spruce and koa variants. The mahogany variant features sapele bracing, which enhances the resonance and provides stability. The back and sides of the guitar are layered sapele. As the name suggests, the GS Mini is a compact guitar that musicians love to travel with. Its size also makes it ideal for younger guitarists who are still learning. True to the brand, this Taylor guitar boasts an articulate and bright tone that sounds refreshing and crisp. The mahogany variant also gives a warm and rich quality to the tone attributed to its mahogany build. The neck is comfortable and doesn't feel cramped, something Taylor has achieved by keeping the string spacing of its larger guitars. The neck measures 1 11/16 inches or 44mm at the nut, and the scale length of the guitar is 23.5 inches or 597mm, giving it that excellent balance of playability and portability that is hard not to like. If you're looking for an acoustic guitar on the smaller side, the Taylor GS Mini is a no-brainer. It's versatile, well constructed and sounds terrific. This is a perfect choice for beginners. And there you have it folks, the 5 acoustic guitars for beginners that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on electric guitars under $500 over on the left, or this one on acoustic guitars under $500 on the right. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.